In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to isolate a color in DaVinci Resolve. We'll build a clean, controllable black and white foundation, and then shape how each original color contributes to the image's brightness. This is a reliable way to isolate color information into luminance, so you can emphasize subjects and create dramatic contrast without introducing artifacts. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and loading your project. Head to the color page, the one with the color wheel icon at the bottom of the interface. In the timeline, click the clip you want to work on so it's highlighted. Everything we do next applies to that selected clip. First, let's create a fully desaturated base. In the color page, open the color wheels, sometimes labeled primaries. Look for the saturation control beneath the wheels. Drag saturation all the way down to 0. Instantly, your shot becomes monochrome. This method is fast and consistent, and it ensures that any color adjustments you make afterward are driven by tonal detail rather than hue. There's an alternate approach that offers even finer control, and you can use it instead of saturation if you prefer. Open the RGB mixer by clicking its icon in the palette. In that panel, check the monochrome box. You'll see the image switch to black and white, just like before. But now the red, green, and blue sliders determine how much each original color channel influences the final grayscale image. This is extremely helpful when you want a specific subject to pop or a background to recede. With monochrome enabled, adjust the red, green, and blue sliders to sculpt contrast. Raising the red slider brightens areas that were originally red or warm. Think skin tones, bricks, or sunsets, making them stand out. Lowering green can deepen foliage and fabrics that leaned green, adding richness and separation. Tweaking blue affects elements like skies, water, and cool tone shadows. A slight decrease can add mood, while a small increase can lift hazy backgrounds. Move the sliders gradually and watch the midtones and highlights so you don't crush detail or blow out important areas. If you notice noise becoming more visible in darker regions, make smaller adjustments or balance with the other channels until texture looks natural. Whether you desaturate with the primary saturation slider or enable monochrome in the RGB mixer, the goal is the same. Convert color into luminance you can shape deliberately. The RGB mixer simply gives you more nuanced control over how each hue translates to brightness, which is ideal for isolating your subject and maximizing contrast in a tasteful way. Play back the clip to confirm the look, and you're done. That's how to isolate a color in DaVinci Resolve with clarity and control.